Hey guys, this is UJ, and I'm going to be reacting to valid EAS tones. These are valid, so never put them up in the air. Never put them in air, or else you might be fined quite hefty. Um, Quite a lot of money if you do this. If you put it up in the air, that's illegal. But I'm just going to be doing this for a video. All the YouTubers that made this all belong to their respected owners, so no copyright. So let's react without further ado. I hear it so much in the simulations. I'm in Canada, so it doesn't really scare me. Yeah, I want that as my ringtone. I can vibe to that beat. Okay, that's a little scary. Just a wee bit scary. Okay. Calm down. Holy. Oh my god, I would definitely crap my pants, okay? I would definitely crap my pants. Okay, next video. Race car. Honestly. Yeah, it does kind of sound like one of those hearing tests. Never went there, but yeah, I guess so. End of the world countdown. Okay. Eh, nice beat. Kind of scary. I listened to so many alarms. This is the most funny one. Sorry, I'll stop. Beep. Huge beeps. I like that. Okay, so Nitrogen, check him out. Yes, this is kind of a shout out. Thank you for letting me make content for this video type thing. I'm going to give you a shout out. Thank you. Sub to him. Anyway, this is going to be the end of today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Without further ado, I will see you in the next video. Goodbye, my friends.